This is Groundhog here. We ain't doing any digging today. We're plowing blizzard. We got about 14 inches right now. I don't know, we're probably gonna wind up with 24, 30 inches before it's over. It's gonna snow all day today, and this was about 4 o'clock in the morning, a.m. Old Groundhog's got his own business, and mow grass in the summer and plow snow in the winter and dig relics in between all that. So, I'll get some videos to you today showing you how a working man works in zero weather and blizzard conditions. I'll catch you on the next round. There's Groundhog back. Give you a little bit of this blizzard plowing here. Yeah, Groundhog doesn't just dig relics 24/7, 365. He has to work for a living too. Got my own business. This is what I'm doing when it's snowing. So when it's not snowing and the grass isn't growing, I'm digging relics. We're going to be done for a while here in Virginia. We're going to get about 2 feet out of this one, I believe. We got about a foot right now. I got a lot of businesses I got to keep open, so I'm going to be working probably 36 hours. I'll be sitting in this truck for 36 hours, no sleep. And I got to push during the whole snowstorm to keep all businesses open. It's not easy owning your own business. Not if you own it and operate it at the same time. So I got some employees, they're snow blowing right now, sidewalks, and got some other people plowing. It's going to be ongoing for the next probably 30 hours. I've been at it about 6 hours now, I guess. And she's pouring down outside. I want to get y'all some footage. I thought it'd be pretty neat. I don't just dig relics. This is how I make my living and take care of my family. This is an 03 2500 HD GMC Duramax Turbo Diesel. I love this truck. I've had it for 7 years. I wouldn't sell it for nothing. It's a hog truck. I can pull an aircraft carrier across dry land with this thing. Right now I got about an 8-foot pile of snow here in front of me. They're plowed up. So my music, I love my music. You can see that I've got Sirius XM. I listen to the Hair Nation station. That station never gets changed. I listen to that 24/7, 365. I'm an 80s hair band man. Love my hair bands. Motley Crue, Guns N' Roses, Kicks, White Snake, Poison. Bad bands. I listen to them all day, every day. That's my taste in music. Sorry if you don't like it, but that's my taste. I grew up in the 80s. I guess that's why I love the music. I can't stand today's music. I think it's garbage. I do like Korn. That's a good band. That's about it. This day's age music. Guess you could say I'm a heavy metal man. But heavy metal and digging relics go hand in hand. Right? This ought to be pretty cool, y'all. Watch a little bit of snow plowing footage. I'm a hard worker. I gotta work to make a living. Ain't nothing gift to me. My business, my home, all my personal belongings is paid for. I earned every penny of it. I paid for it, cash money. If you want something in life, you gotta work for it. It's just the way it is. I'm sorry, a lot of people don't believe in that, but that's the way it is, and that's the way it's only gonna be. Yeah. I work 6 to 7 days a week in the summer. Mowing grass, landscaping. In the winter time, I do put leaves up, tree trimming, snow plowing. It's been a pretty good year for me in the snow plowing. It snows here about every other day. Oh yeah, Motley Crue. Love it. Snow plowing and listening to Motley Crue. Doesn't get any better. Making money. I'd like to be digging relics, though. But you gotta work and make money too. Alright, I'll get off here. I'll get you some footage here in the daylight later on. Okay? I'm gonna cut you a little Faster Pussycat music for you. This is my favorite band, Faster Pussycat. If I do, damn if I don't. Y'all some views there. If I can get the camera to sit there. This is Groundhog Clown Blizzard 2014 in Virginia. Rather be out finding some history. I gotta do what I gotta do, take care of my family. Damn if I don't. damned if I don't. Back in the 80s, this band was awesome in concert. You didn't see them, you missed some of the best concerts ever. Some more footage later on. I'm gonna show y'all YouTubers what an idiot is. For all you YouTubers that don't know what an idiot is, I'm getting ready to show you. I'm getting ready to show you an idiot. What moron parks his car in the middle of the road? Right smack dead in the middle of the road. It's been sitting there since the storm started. Just as much snow on it as any other vehicle. So all you YouTubers that don't know what an idiot is, I'm showing you. They're calling for a blizzard, 2 feet plus. Geez. I wonder if anybody's going to be plowing this snow. I know, I'll park my car in the middle of the road. Nice. What I should do is take all this snow in this road and make it so it takes him 4 weeks to get his car out. And a lot of shoveling. I thought I'd share it with you. For all y'all that don't know what an idiot is, you just learned what it is. Alright, I'll get off it. I forgot to tell you, there's 25 empty parking spaces here where I'm plowing, and there's his vehicle in the middle of the road. I didn't want y'all to think that he was stuck or anything, but no, that's not the case. Plenty of parking places, but gee, I'll park my car in the middle of the road, yeah. Alright, later.